But my question is that will he be able to come and give Chelsea the results early as possible like this?
That is a big question.
This is a big question that we have to ask ourselves.
Yes.
And you see the profile of player who is going to suit to Chelsea formation that they are playing.
That is another big question.
This is another big question.
Because
Chelsea need a striker whose head is working. Chelsea need a striker who is also good at what? In terms of footwork.
Yes.
They need a striker who is good at what? Two things. Even averagely, if the striker is not even good at one of the, it should be an average person in terms of one
yes. Whether head or can shoot well.
Chelsea match against Fulham will tell you that Chelsea need a striker whose head is better.
Yes, working.
Ladies
and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is a podcast. Yes, we are going to talk about Chelsea signing Liam Delap. Yes, the things he will bring to this our Chelsea team. Yes, the pro and cons Liam Delap will bring to this Chelsea team, guys. So this is a podcast. I am my Chelsea brother Isa. So please watch this video till the end and hit the like button, hit the subscription button. By the way, my brother ran away and left me. Yes, his girlfriend came. So he ran. Yes, he said to me bye bye. Yes, chop time no friend or how they say it. When it's time for good things, yes, he ran away and left me from this studio. I'm doing everything alone here. So now I think maybe I don't know what happened. Maybe the girlfriend divorced him or go back, or I don't know. So he's back. Isa is back to the studio. So guys, we are going to talk about Liam Delap signing. Just completed his signing. So please, as I said, watch this video till the end. Let's do the analysis together. Let's do the discussion together. Isa, welcome back.
Yeah, it has been a while.
Yes.
I'm a little bit engaged.
Yes.
So viewers, sorry for that.
Okay.
So
no
now
problem.
I'm now back.
Okay.
We are there always in the channel.
Yes.
So first of all,
Liam Delap, Chelsea completed his signing.
Chelsea has completed his signing for him to be a striker for Chelsea.
Yes.
For the Club World Cup, and then next year.
Yes.
Champions League and other competitions.
Premier League, FA Cup,
Chelsea is going to be involved. Now, Rich, I will start by saying that always when you are signing a player,
okay,
one first thing that you must consider is the profile of player. This thing is one of the things that
the profile of the player.
The profile of the player. This is one of the things that people are making mistakes. Even when they are signing, I can even say the majority of some of the owners or some of the signings are there.
Let me say the
sporting directors. They will sign a player and a player will come. The kind of performance that they need from that player will come and is not able to exhibit. This is a problem of what? Profile. You have to check the nature of player that you want. Currently, Chelsea selling Liam Delap is a very good news. He's one of the strikers who is giving assist and goals. He's giving them the performance.
Yes.
But currently, we have to consider, is it the profile of player that Chelsea need? Is it a profile of player that Maresca need?
I was to ask you that because when you say profile,
you get it.
Yes,
is
it means a lot. Whether Maresca or the team,
kind of player
or
that
look at the squad. Can you fit well?
Is it when you look at that kind of transitional football that Chelsea are playing, that kind of formation that Chelsea is playing on the field?
Sometimes that one can pass.
Can he be able to maybe exhibit that kind of talent with playing with those kind of style of playing? This is some of the questions that we need to ask ourselves.
Yes.
Whether that guy's sign is okay or it's not okay. Now, I know football is widely spread.
Yes.
But some kind of signing, we look at the club. Now, we look at the situation of the club. We need somebody that who can give the club let me just say fast results.
Yes.
You get it?
Especially Chelsea.
So one of the things is that currently, every Chelsea viewer can bear my witness that this year in the field of war, Chelsea playing, most of Chelsea balls, when you look at Chelsea balls, when you rank it, the percentage of Chelsea balls maybe passing on top and Chelsea ball passing on down, you could see that the kind of crosses when Chelsea is pressing the opponent is going, it means that Chelsea need a striker whose head is working. Chelsea need a striker who is also good at what? In terms of footwork.
Yes.
It means they need a striker who is good at what? Two things. Even averagely, if the striker is not even good at one of the, it should be an average person in terms of one
yes. Whether head or can shoot well.
Chelsea match again Fulham will tell you that Chelsea need a striker whose head is better.
Yes, working.
So when you look at, sometimes we are ranking Jackson that is no good because the footwork is all that there, but the head is
the head is off.
The air ball is not good at. He's not good at it.
Yeah, no.
You get it.
It looks like Jackson only using his neck.
It's only when you look at all the goals that Jackson is scoring now, majority of the goals, let me just say 98% of the goals is foot.
Yes, foot.
It means that whenever Chelsea is standing,
did Jackson ever score a heading goal?
I'm surprised. If only I can remember. So it means that
the Conference League final, the cross, he used his chest. I thought he was going to head it,
so
but
that one is
won.
not foot, so we'll take it airball. So it means that Chelsea should go on for a striker whose head is all that okay. But Neon Delap signing is not a bad signing. It's okay.
But Liam Delap won't come to the heading. He's good too.
He's also good at it. So it means that for his signing to Chelsea, it's not all that bad. It's not all that bad. But at least.
But is he the ideal striker you think Chelsea
but at least. That's why I keep on saying now when you look at the situation Chelsea are now going to face for this next year, we have a Club World Cup to play.
Yes.
It's a serious competition. Even all big clubs are there. Madrid, you are seeing Man City, you are seeing Bayern Munich. All these clubs are there. So when I'm meeting all these clubs, PSG and Co, they are all there. Champions League winners.
Yes.
It means you need a striker who can compete with all these.
Now we started respecting PSG. Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
So it means that when you are competing with Champions League, you don't need a striker that we are saying that let's give him time, or it's an average striker, or let's maintain him, or you are going to at least do it, treat him like Jackson or whatever. So it means that in signing, you have to look at a profile of player that you want.
Yes.
We have types of strikers.
Yes.
We have strikers that in the field of play, their rotation, they can come and then play with their their colleague players. Like when the opponent is now saying they are sending the ball, all of a sudden you see him in the box converting the chance.
Yes.
We have strikers that in terms of goal scoring mentality is there.
Yes.
Any ball that after him getting 5 chances, he's going to make sure that he will give the team 3 goals.
Yes, or
out
4.
of it.
Yes.
So for the guy signing, it's not all that bad. But my question is that will he be able to come and give Chelsea the results early as possible like this?
That is a big question.
This is a big question that we have to ask ourselves.
Yes.
And you see the profile of player who is going to suit to Chelsea formation that they are playing.
That is another big question.
This is another big question.
Because that is what we saw in Nicola Jackson, and we are going to sign a striker.
So it means that Nicola Jackson is not able to adapt to that role that they are playing. So it means that you have to look for a striker
who can do what Nicola Jackson was not able.
And one of the questions here is that, Rich, now as I'm here, I've given my child to you to teach.
Okay.
The thing is that me in the house, I can't determine to know the kind of problem that the child is facing, the child potentials and what confidence and other things, the child weaknesses. I can't determine. I have to consult you, the teacher, to tell me that these are some of these are the weaknesses. And these are the positive aspect of what my child. So that I'll be able to know the next decision that I can take. So if you want to sign a player, be it a striker, a defender, or any type of player, you should have to consult the coach. The question is, Delap signing, is Enzo Maresca profile of player that he wants?
Or is Enzo Maresca aware of this signing? Yes, he's aware.
Because he's going to use the player.
Yes, he's aware. Yes.
He's aware. I know he's aware.
Yes.
But
because the reason why I said he's aware.
Typically, was he given an opportunity to choose any striker that he thinks it will fit his role that he's playing? I
think so. This signing, for me, to be honest, when you look at this, our owners, normally they were doing all the signing by themselves. But this Delap signing is through Enzo Maresca and the owners. Because when the season started, Enzo Maresca started praising him. Even news came that Enzo Maresca showed his tactics, his everything to him.
So that's it.
And Enzo Maresca,
for the guy signing,
you know that the guy is from Man City Academy.
Yes.
He was with Kulpa Malavia and Enzo Maresca.
So it means that.
So Enzo Maresca said that he knew him better.
Yes.
He will fit into his system. So we shall see.
So it means that is it.
Yes.
So it means that
what you are saying has been confirmed.
Yes. So it means that as the guy is coming, we are expecting him to come with what the results.
Yes. But for me, I still have a problem with Chelsea signing him. He is inexperienced, especially in the Premier League. He just had his first season in the Premier League.
The thing is
the season wasn't bad and wasn't that excellent.
Yes.
So Chelsea signed him. he scored the same number of goals as Jackson.
So that's
12 goals. Jackson also scored 12 goals.
That is what I'm.
So for now,
when you look at the confidence level,
I can't say he's an upgrade to Jackson. Or do you think he's an upgrade to Jackson?
The thing is that sometimes they look at him to be like an upgrade to Jackson when you look at individual performance in the field of playing.
Okay.
You get it? Jackson, looking at him, no, he's not all that having a footwork.
No.
In terms of skillful,
Jackson is still raw.
Is someone skillful.
Yes.
So these are some of the qualities.
And even physicality.
These are some of the qualities that they used to what?
Yes, determine.
Maybe upgrading above what?
Jackson.
But the question is that when you look at the performance in terms of the small club, as he's giving them,
can he come and
Chelsea is a big club.
Yes.
Chelsea is a club that whenever they sign a player, they are not going to give you time. Chelsea is a club that they need their results. It's a big club.
Especially me. I don't give Chelsea players time.
So it means that as he's coming, and with that performance at the small club, will he be able to give that fast result?
That is another question.
This is another question. It means one of
so that is what some of us
answered.
wish Chelsea go in. Some more experienced strikers like Osimhen.
So because
and
here be the case, I would have taken into consideration a striker that's why I sat here that Chelsea even going to. I was hearing some news that Chelsea going to sign even Ronaldo to even come and play the forward. I was not even happy about it. Is that
no, Ronaldo cannot run.
With all respect, he's a goat. But currently, when you look at the situation, it would have been fit for him going even for Osimhen.
Yes, Osimhen.
Because you are now having 12 competitions ahead of you.
Wow.
With that kind of 12 competitions, you don't need what? You don't need
average or developing striker again.
You want an experienced striker in which any small chance that you get, it should attract the results.
Yes.
So not bad.
It's not bad.
It's football.
We are wishing him all the best. He's now just a player.
So when he comes,
he's our striker.
We pray that he'll be able to adapt to the system and the role and
give us the goals.
Give Chelsea the goal to be able to.
For me, my issue is his inexperience. That is my worry. Because see, this inexperience thing is real. It's real. See, if a player is not used to something, he can't just use one day and start doing it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, football is difficult as we are looking at it. Okay. Especially nowadays, especially Chelsea. Next season, Champions League. We missed the Champions League. 2 seasons so far. So this season, it means that
2021 that you collected Champions League.
Yes, up to now, 2025.
So it means 4 years.
No. When we look at seasons, two seasons.
No,
because
2021
we won
25 currently. So let me just 3 seasons.
No, but the season came with 2 years.
Yeah, this thing is.
It came with combined.
Yes,
so let me say 2022 to 2023 season, Chelsea didn't play Champions League.
Yes.
2024
to 25
we didn't play.
Yeah.
So 2 seasons we didn't play. So this season we qualify. It means that a lot will be expected.
Yes.
Yes, we want to go far.
Yes.
Not just group stage or like Arsenal or Liverpool. We want to go and win it. So for that matter, we need to have that strikers and that players who can do it.
Yes.
So that is my issue. But because Cole Palmer came his first season, he scored goals, 22 goals.
Yes.
Yeah. So we never see football. Anything can happen. So we are wishing all the best. By the way, guys, that is our opinion about Chelsea signing Liam Delap. Yes, him coming to Chelsea, can he do it? Let us hear from you under the comment section. By the way, another video is coming about Jadon Sancho. Yes, now Jadon Sancho going back to Manchester United. We are going to talk about the pro and cons also, the advantages. Guys, that video is coming. Stay on, turn on the notification bell, and I also give you head videos about our transfer news. All those videos are here, so please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.